Hello, this is Kent from EasyTest Pool Supplies, and in this video we're going to show you how to properly winterize an above-ground pool. This video will cover the removal of accessories, the dismantling of the filter, the installing of the ice equalizer pillow, and finally covering the pool itself. There are many ways to close an above-ground pool, and this is how we find works best for us. The first step would be to remove any sort of accessories, such as railings or steps. Here you see our tech removing the screws from the flanges that attach the steps to the pool. Make sure you save these screws so that you can use them to reinstall the steps in the springtime. Remove any sort of auxiliary weights, and then remove the steps from the pool. Make sure to clean, let dry, and store in a safe place for the winter. Next, we'll begin to winterize the skimmer and return. Remove the return eyeball, which is usually 3 pieces, and then install either a threaded plug or an expansion plug. If using the expansion plug, make sure that the wing nut is placed in the vertical position to prevent any damage from ice. Then with the skimmer, remove the cap, the basket, and the weir. Make sure any valves attached are in the open position, and remove any sort of hosing. Next, we're going to add the winter chemicals. At EasyTest Pools, we sell the On Guard Winter Closing Kit. Make sure you purchase the correct one for your size pool. One of these is a borate floater. It's important to poke holes in either side and the bottom of this, fill up with water, install the styrofoam float, and then allow to float in the pool over the winter time. There's also going to be a winter algicide and a stain and scale control. Add these to the water as well, and since the water's already been lowered, add around the pool to help mix on its own. We will now dismantle the filter for the winter. Make sure to remove any hoses or fittings attached to it. Make sure that you drain out the filter and the pump so that it is dry for the winter time. If it's a cartridge or a DE filter, remove the elements inside, and it's best to clean and store in a safe place for the winter. For a DE filter, we recommend an acid wash, which can be performed at any of our locations. As the pump is the engine of the pool, it's advised that this is stored in a safe, dry location over the winter. Once again, make sure you collect any clamps, plugs, or other accessories in one spot so that they're easily accessible when you go to reassemble the pool in the springtime. Next, we will install our ice equalizer pillow. These are available in a variety of sizes for different sizes of pools. We then install the cord directly to the pool. This is something that we find works very well. It's important when running this that it goes over the skimmer so that any weight doesn't pull on the skimmer over the winter time. This also allows a nice easy way for us to attach both the pillow and the cover to the cable. These are designed to keep the pressure of the ice that forms off the walls of the pool. And because of this, it's advised that you only fill them up about 70% of the way. This allows for some give on the pillows themselves. As these pillows are designed to take the weight of the ice off the walls, it's important that we centralize its location so that it's able to take the pressure equally. At this point, we're ready to cover the pool itself. Make sure you've purchased the correct size cover. Here, our techs are using a Supreme Plus cover, which is a 12x12 scrim, double layer with reinforced grommets. They're going to spread this over the pool and attach to the cable with zip ties. As there's a deck with this pool, we're going to tuck the cover in between the gap between the pool and the deck and secure to the cable that's underneath. You can also use water bags in this situation if required. The techs now walk around the pool and secure the grommets to the cable itself, making sure that the tension is spread equally. And there you have it. Now the pool has been winterized for the season. If you have any other questions, visit us at easytestpools.com or stop by any of our stores. Thanks for watching.